Now this morning we're going to try to get out on the road really super early. It's a two-stroke day. We want to kill some mosquitoes, burn some two-stroke oil, pollute the atmosphere, cause some global warming, or whatever, or stir up some great memories of times gone by. Now because we already have the jetting to the settings that we use in the summer, and because it's going to go to 90 today, those little fins are going to get plenty hot. And there's only one thing better than having an old Yamaha and a new Yamaha. We have a really old one, an almost old one, and one that's still got some spring in his step. Or Bruce Springsteen in his step, who knows. You know, the garden is looking so good lately, and our crepe myrtle is just coming into bloom. Everything is just so nice out here. Karen really did a great job this year. I know you guys, on two-stroke day you get a little bit extra food. I know all about it. I got the menu down pat. And the weather report today is absolutely no chance of rain. Temperatures in the high 80s, low 90s. So of course we want to get out of here early. And if you love two strokes like I love two strokes, you know the sound we're going to be listening to this afternoon is music to your ears. There's nothing better than 3 hours out on the RD. Not that it's such a high performance bike, but it's a time machine. And all the memories flood back every time you go through the gears and you hear that sound. And that's hard to describe, but you can. When people fall in love with two-strokes, this is why they do. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy. What a wonderful day. Oh my God. I know Karen's got plans to work in the garden all afternoon. I would rather be polishing the RD, to tell you the truth. Anyway, thanks for watching.